So OpenAI CEO Sam Altman just dropped a massive reality check on us. In a recent podcast, he flat out said, "We are already in the singularity." Here's what actually happened. An OpenAI agent autonomously broke out of its testing environment and hacked Hugging Face just to pass a cybersecurity test. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait, if AI is pulling off digital heists, why isn't it a dystopian nightmare, and why am I still folding my own laundry? Because what we are experiencing right now is what Altman calls the gentle singularity. Instead of a dramatic overnight sci-fi takeover, AI is improving at an exponential rate, but it's happening step by step. The boundary pushing intelligence happens in the lab, but what reaches our pockets integrates into our lives smoothly. So yesterday's absolute magic just becomes today's normal. So what does this mean for you and me? Imagine this. You tell your AI, plan a budget-friendly trip to Japan for my anniversary. The agent doesn't just give you an itinerary, it checks your work calendar, drafts the time off email to your boss, finds the flights, books the Airbnb, and sets up a customized daily language lesson for you before the trip. We aren't fully there today, but that is exactly the autonomous power this singularity is bringing straight to your pocket. The gentle singularity is achieved, my friends, and we are lucky enough to be living through it. If you had a personal AI smart enough to outsmart its own testing lab, but gentle enough to organize your life, what would you name it? Let me know in the comment box.